Hey guys, what's up? Rob here from Rocksteady Adventures. Out on a gravel cycling ride and just thought I'd do a quick little video review of the Insta360 GO 3. I've been in the video game for a long time. I've used a ton of different action cameras. I've never particularly cared for them related to like cycling or snowboarding. Basically would wind up with huge files at the end and then trying to trim them down into something that's usable was always a challenge for me. So what I love about the GO 3 is it's super small. You can put it just about anywhere. I'm going to be mounting it today to my gravel cycle using the Insta360 mount right there. I'll put links to everything that I'm using below in the description, but basically going to do some samples of some different places that you can mount it. Hopefully you enjoy it. The key here for me is shooting in like 30-second intervals. So just press the button on the GO 3, get it going, 30-second interval, shut it off. Makes it so much easier to edit in the end of your workflow. So hopefully you enjoy this content. Subscribe to the channel. Thanks for dropping by. Bye. Yes, victory is mine. So yeah, that's pretty sweet how you can just clip it off. Hopefully you enjoyed this video and the examples that this GO 3 can produce. If you're on the fence, man, pick one up. All right, later.